In today's video, I'm going to teach you 15 English idioms with easy explanations and practical examples. Stay with me until the end because the last few idioms are some of the most commonly used in workplace, interviews, and everyday conversations. Let's begin. Read the room, meaning understand the mood or situation before speaking or acting. Example, he should have read the room before making that joke. Another one, throw someone under the bus, meaning blame or sacrifice someone to protect yourself. Example, she threw her teammate under the bus during that meeting. Next, move the goalposts, meaning unfairly change the rules or expectations. Example, every time I finish the task, they move with goalposts. Next one, elephant in the room, meaning an obvious problem that everyone avoids discussing. Example, let's address the elephant in the room. Next one, jump the gun, meaning act too early. Example, don't jump the gun. Wait for the official announcement. Next, raise the bar, meaning set a higher standard. Example, her performance really raised the bar. Next one, throw in the towel, meaning give up. Example, he refused to throw in the towel despite the challenges. Another one, on thin ice, meaning in a risky or dangerous situation. Example, you are on thin ice after missing another deadline. Next, keep your cards close to your chest, meaning keep your plans or intentions secret. Example, he is keeping his cards close to his chest. Next, go down the rabbit hole, meaning become deeply involved in something. Example, I went down the rabbit hole researching AI. Next one, weather the storm, meaning survive a difficult period. Example, the company weathered the storm successfully. Next one, not out of the woods, meaning not completely free from difficulties. Example, the patient is improving but is not out of the woods yet. Next one, hit the books, meaning study seriously. Example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. Another one, get the ball rolling, meaning start something. Example, let's get the ball rolling with today's meeting. Next one, a double-edged sword, meaning something with both advantages and disadvantages. Example, social media is a double-edged sword. Comment your favorite idiom below, and if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an English lesson. Thank you.